What's up everybody, Chef Glenn B and I'm back in the kitchen, and today I'm doing a fun one. I've got watermelon and feta salad. I'm gonna attempt to pair it with one of these wines. I've got a rosé and I've got a sparkling wine. Let's get right into it. In making my watermelon and feta salad, I've got to make a dressing, but first I want to show you this big, beautiful watermelon I got here. This is organic black watermelon. I had one last week, super sweet. Can't wait to cut into that. First thing though is I want to make the dressing. I've got some limes, honey, olive oil, a little salt and pepper. It's a really super simple dressing. So let's get these limes cut. Get some juice. Got my lime juice. Got some olive oil. I'm gonna add my honey. Black pepper. Kosher salt. Whisk that together. Perfect. I'm ready to start building my salad. I've got a nice dish here that I'm gonna put my watermelon salad on. Got my trash bowl, and I'm ready to start cutting this watermelon. Start by cutting the ends off. Too ripe. All right, so as you can see, I have a different watermelon here. I cut into my other watermelon and it was bad. I mean, it was mushy, it was overripe, it was just bad. So I went outside and I picked another one. I'm just kidding. But quiet as kept, patio garden coming soon. Stay tuned for that. Let's cut into this one. All right, so this looks pretty good. I like this side much better than I like this side. So we're gonna start over here. Now all of that looks fantastic. It's just this part that I don't like. I'm gonna work around. So what I wanna do is I wanna cut this into cubes. If you're enjoying the video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. All right, so got the watermelon cubed up. I'm gonna go ahead and get my feta crumbled. All right, so I need to get my mint and basil cut. I saved these for last purposefully. I wanted to make sure that they were optimally fresh when I put them on the salad. I didn't want them to start going brown. Sprinkle my basil on top. Sprinkle my mint. All right, got the salad on the platter, and I've got this dressing that we mixed up earlier. Just gonna take a spoon and drizzle the dressing on top. So I'm doing something I don't normally do. We're starting with 2 wines. I know that both of them that are gonna somewhat pair with this, but I wanna find out which one pairs the best. So I've got a 2020 Arnold Roberts Rosé here. And I've got a 2017 Ultramarine Blanc de Noir. This is a Heinz Vineyard Blanc de Noir. So let's start with the Rosé. Now this recipe and these wines are fun, obviously in the summertime, and we still got some summer months left. We still got some warm days left, but this salad doesn't have to be had during the summertime. As long as you got some good sweet watermelon, you can have this salad anytime. Salad is good along with barbecue. It's good standalone. It's good to have if you're having a cocktail party and you need something to pair with the wines you're having. A nice watermelon and feta salad. So this rosé, let's see. One of the things that I thought about when I wanted to pair this rosé is the fact that sometimes rosés have a little watermelon characteristic, you know, and so I thought, man, might be a really good pairing. And just like I thought, I'm getting watermelon on the nose. I'm getting pineapple, I'm getting tropical fruit, definitely getting that watermelon. It's like a watermelon Jolly Rancher candy. Nice and vibrant on the nose. Let's see what it's tasting like. Nice acidity, nice summertime glass of wine. Really good on the back of the patio or next to the barbecue type of glass of wine here. Really refreshing, really fun. Fruity, obviously really light bodied. Got some Granny Smith apple characteristics and that watermelon characteristic. Little cranberry going on. It's a fun wine. Now let's look at this Blanc de Noir I've got here. Ultramarine is really culty sparkling wine. Takes a while to make it off of the waiting list, but once you get there, they're a prize to be had. So let's see here. Plenty of bubbles. Plenty of fine bubbles. Plenty of effervescence. I didn't expect much on the nose, but I'm getting a little brioche, little croissant, little baked bread, buttery baked bread type of thing. Let's see what we're working with here. Ooh. That's good. Yeah, that's like it's got that baked pastry, that buttery pastry thing going on, and this has more of a mouthfeel than this. This was really light on the palate. This is leaning a little bit towards medium on the palate. A little bit more of a mouthfeel. Some deep fruit. I mean, man, it's so rich, is what I'm trying to say. It's really rich in flavor. A lot of times, the sparkling wines are sort of, they kind of, how should I say, they kind of pop right across your tongue, for lack of a better way of saying it. I mean, the flavor doesn't normally stick. It's sort of fun, it's sort of acidic, it's sort of bubbly in your mouth, and it sort of goes away really quickly. This is lingering. The flavor's lingering. The finish is lingering. And it's, like I said, it's leaning towards medium. Really good sparkling wine. I don't know which one's gonna pair. Like, I'm thinking this they're gonna love the watermelon notes in this, but I don't know, we'll see. All right, so the watermelon feta salad is done. Let me replenish my glasses here. All right, so I'm ready to taste the salad. That's delicious. Missing one thing. We need a little bit of salt. I forgot to put salt on it. Let's give it a try. That's what it needed to wake it up. All right, I'm gonna try the sparkling first. Pretty good. Not bad. I like the sparkling better. I like the ultramarine better. Not to say that I don't like this, but with this pairs. But I gotta double check. One more time. So refreshing. The feta. Definitely. Get a little bite of everything. Get that watermelon and a little basil, a little mint, and the feta takes it over the top. This is a perfect pairing. I'm Chef Glenn B, and as always, eat well.